A scroll compressor is a type of positive displacement compressor that uses two interleaved spiral-shaped scrolls to compress gas or refrigerant. A centrifugal compressor is a type of dynamic compressor that uses a rotating impeller to increase the pressure of a gas by converting its kinetic energy into potential energy. A reciprocating compressor or a piston compressor uses a crankshaft-driven piston moving back and forth in a cylinder to compress air or gas. A rotary compressor is a type of positive displacement machine that uses one or more rotating elements to compress a gas. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates.